What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a custom testimonials slider in Shopify store. So basically I was also interested to solve this issue for one of my client, and I searched a lot, and on Shopify community there are a lot of comments that people are selling such type of plugins or maybe apps through which they are implementing this specific thing and they are paying $90 per month. So I thought that if I am trying to solve this problem, then definitely there are a lot of people who are not interested to pay that much amount, so they will be using this free of cost. All right, so they can do a little bit of changes, and because of which they could able to customize their testimonials slider. And in tomorrow's video I will be showing you that how you can create a custom slider, but in this video this is a slider, but this is specifically for the testimonials. So currently you can see on my screen that I have this specific slider here, and if you will click over it, then you will be getting this type of scenario. All right, so this is the look and feel, and I have already removed the code from the files, so it would look like this now. All right, so if I am refreshing this page, then these testimonials would be removed. I mean images would be removed. So how I edit these images, so I will be showing you in this video. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, just subscribe this channel and also like this video, because in the coming videos I will be exploring a lot of content which would be useful for you. So first of all, you have to go to the dashboard of the Shopify, and here you have to click on online store. And once you are clicking on online store, then you have to click on customize. And currently I am working on debut theme, so whichever theme you have, we can actually manage this. And if you are thinking that you are not good enough in all these things, so you can also take the help of mine. I will be adding the link below, contact details below in the description. So currently you can see that this is the testimonial which is default, and if you will see on the left menu, you will be getting this specific section which is testimonials. So I am going to delete this one once again, and I will be creating in front of you so that you get to know that how you can do it. So currently you can see that we have only two sections, which are like this is the slider and this is the products, featured products, and down below we are interested to add a section for the testimonials slider. So I clicked on add section, and then I am going to scroll it down, and down below you will be finding testimonials. So you should click over it, and then after you should select it. So you can see that right here. So you can see that we have on the right hand side we have testimonials, and currently this is loading. So once this is loaded successfully, then we will be saving all these changes. All right, so this is super simple to add the testimonials onto your Shopify homepage. So the important thing is that how we can manage the slider with the images. So currently you can see that this is the scenario, and now we are interested to make some changes. So for example, you are interested to modify its title, so you can also do that like that. So we have this specific description, author name. So if you want, you can also modify this one. For example, I am modifying the author name. Here you can see that this is reflecting here, and then after I am interested to modify the second testimonial. And you already know that if we are interested to keep only few of the testimonial slides, then we can also do like that. So we have 5 testimonials slides. So if you are interested to remove each and every one, then you can remove it, or even if you are interested to add, then you can also add. So currently we have 2 testimonials. You have to click on add, and then automatically third one would be added. If you are clicking on add testimonial, then fourth would be added. Then if I am clicking again, then 5th testimonial would be added. So now you can see that this is the slider, and we are interested to add some images over it. All right, so if you are interested to change the content, you can modify the content and the author name. So you can do according to your need, but for now I am leaving it as it is, so you can modify according to your convenience. All right, so now I am going to save it, and let's move ahead with another part, which is like how we can add the images here. So I am clicking on exit, and down below, first of all, I am interested to add some images, I mean upload the images. So click on the settings on the left bottom corner. So once you are clicking over there, then you have files, you should click over it. Then I am going to upload few images. So if you are interested, you can also download from the Google. So for example, profile images professional. All right, so I have already downloaded. So if you are interested to download the new images, so you can download from here, and maybe you have the original customers profile pictures, so you should use those. All right, so I'm not going to use it right now because I have already downloaded. So let me upload all those files. So you can see that we have this one, for example. So I have uploaded that file now, and here you can see that this is the file and this is the URL. All right, so I'm interested to download all those. So you should select each and every file at once and then click on open, and all the files would be uploaded together. All right, so finally we end up with downloading this stuff. So now we are interested to open this in new tab, and let me move ahead with the coding part. So you should click on themes, and then after you have to go to the customization of the code. So there are minor customizations, so you have no need to worry about if you are not interested in coding. So you should click on this drop down button, and here we have edit code. So you have to click over it, and then we have few folders, and here we have sections. So you should scroll it down, and here we have codes.liquid. So this is the file where we have the slider for the testimonials. All right, so here we have, so we are interested to add the image. So basically this is the section inside of which the slider is showing. If you are thinking that let's test it that this is over here or not, so I am going to add here a small heading to print the hello world, so that I get to know that this is working. For example, I have written hello. Let me save it, and I am going to refresh this page, and now you can see that this is hello. On each of the slide we have hello, so that means this is we are on the exact place. All right, now what we are going to do here is we are interested to add an image. All right, so for that I am going to write img tag, then we have src equals to double quotes, and inside of it I am going to paste a URL. For example, this is the URL I have just copied, and then I am going to paste it over here. All right, and then after let me save it, and let me refresh this page. Now you can see that this is a huge image. If you are interested, you can also reduce its size, but for now if you are thinking that this is good, looking good, then you can also keep it as it is. Otherwise you can reduce it by adding some width. So here for example I am writing width equals to 150 for say example. Inside of double quotes you have to write width equal to 150. Then you have to save it, and let me refresh this page once again. Now you can see that this is little this is looking good now. Otherwise you can also increase its size. For example, I am keeping it 200, and that is also possible. So here you can see that we have 200, and if you are clicking over here, then this would also work. So now you can also see that we are interested to keep it in the center. So I will be doing that as well, but for now, first of all, we have to add all the images here. So we have added the single image. As you know that we have multiple slides, so we have to use a counter here, so which will be calculating the values of the number of slides. So I am going to define a variable here, percent and curly brace. So inside of this specific syntax you have to write assign count equals to 0. So we are going to initialize the counter variable with 0. So we will be incrementing that, and here we need to write if. Inside of the same syntax we are writing here if count equals to 0, then after this specific image should be shown. Alright, and then after we have to close this one and if. Alright, and again I am going to write the same syntax down below for the second image. So for that we will be having counter equals to 1. Alright, and inside of it I am going to write image tag src equals to, then I am going to write here width equals to 150, and inside of src I will be adding the source, I mean the image source. Again I am going to copy, again I am going to copy and paste, and accordingly I will be adding 1 2 3 4 and 5. So whatever number of slides you will have on the slider, so accordingly you will have to write the number of lines here. Alright, so let me show you where we have. First of all you should click on customize. So actually we have generated 5 slides over here, as you already know that we were creating the slides, I mean testimonials. So here we have 5 number of slides, so 3 are over here, then 4th and then 5th. So if you will have 5 slides, then accordingly you will have to write the write this one 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5. And now we are interested to copy and paste all these images URL. So I have copied this second one and then I am going to paste it over here. Then we have the third one, I am going to copy it and then paste it over here. Then we have the fourth one, so again I copied by Control C or Command C. Then we have Control V, then finally we have the last image. So now you can see that we have this one. Alright, and we need to increment the counter as well. So we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4. Alright, so 0 1 2 3 4. So accordingly we have 5 images. Alright, and at last we will have to add here the increment operator. So the syntax is that assign, you have to write here assign count equals to count plus 1. So this is the syntax for incrementing the value of count in the Shopify. So let me save these changes, and now so we have small issue here. Sorry, we had one issue that this is equals to, so double equal to, because we are comparing here the values. So we have to write here double equals to 4, and you can also see that we have incremented the value of the count over here. So let me save these changes. So now you can see that the changes has been saved successfully, and now let me refresh this page here, and if you will see, you will find out that everything is looking great right now. Alright, so let me do some more changes here. For example, I am interested to keep the size little bit smaller. So for example, I have this one 200 and other one 150. That's why we are facing this issue. And other than that, we are also interested to keep this in center. So how we will be doing that is we have this specific class here. So we are interested to write here one style equals to double quotes, and inside of this style we are going to write text align center. All right, so this is the syntax. I mean, we are going to text align center the images. So click on save, and then you have to refresh this page, and now you will find out that everything is beautiful. So now you can see that we have successfully implemented the slider, and you can also slide it, and you can also see the images with the content, and we have the author name. And if you are interested, you can modify the images and modify the things according to the suggestions which I explained over here. So this is really simple. You have to implement this one into your website as well for free. You have no need to give the price for to any specific developer for doing this, because this is really simple. I explained you each and every step. So if you are still facing any issue, or maybe you are thinking that this is not helping you, this video is not helping you, then you can also connect me. I will be adding the link below in the description. I will adding the details in the description, so you can connect me by any means like Skype, WhatsApp, or email. So I will be helping you out with that. Other than that, you can also do the comment in the comment section, because that is important for me. If you will be asking the questions, I will be able to help you out with whatever problem you will be facing. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.